birds who are singing in the spring air. They're given everything they need. They don't worry where their next meal will come from. They don't worry about a thing. So just look around you and try to listen to the song creation sings. And don't you worry, 'cause you're in the hands of the God who made everything. We'll see the flowers in their colorful beauty. They're dressed better than a king. They don't worry about what they should wear, no. They don't worry about a thing. Just look around you and try to listen to the song creation sings. And don't you worry, 'cause you're in the hands of the God who made everything. Because you're not a bird and you're not a flower. You don't have petals or wings. But there is good news, you're worth so much more to the God who made everything. Ooh. When you worry about today or tomorrow and the storms that they might bring, try to remember that you're in the hands of the God who made everything. And just look around you and try to listen to the song creation sings. And don't you worry, 'cause you're in the hands of the God who made everything. Now just remember, you're not a bird, you're not a flower. You don't have petals or wings. But there's good news, 'cause you're worth so much more to the God